If you are a fan of Big Brother and you've been missing the drama, strategy, and unpredictable twists that come with every new season, there's a perfect show to fill that void. Reality TV lovers who can't get enough of alliances, blind sides, and fierce competitions should turn their attention to one of the most legendary seasons in Big Brother history, a season that many fans still consider one of the best ever made. It's the kind of binge-worthy television that reminds everyone why Big Brother became such a phenomenon in the first place. This iconic season delivers everything a true fan could want: shocking evictions, unforgettable house guests, and gameplay that changed the way future players approach the game forever. Whether you've been watching from the very beginning or only discovered the show in recent years, revisiting this particular season offers a thrilling reminder of just how unpredictable the Big Brother universe can be. From the moment the cast walked into the house, it was clear that this wasn't going to be an ordinary game. Rivalries formed instantly, alliances were tested within days, and the line between loyalty and betrayal blurred in ways fans had never seen before. Each episode brought a new layer of drama, from emotional breakdowns to cunning manipulations that left viewers glued to their screens. This season wasn't just about strategy, it was about survival in a house full of players who would do anything to win the grand prize. What makes this legendary Big Brother season stand out is how perfectly it balanced entertainment with pure competition. The challenges were intense, testing not just physical strength but mental toughness, social skills, and the ability to read people under pressure. Fans still talk about some of the head of household competitions that went down to the wire, with the fate of the entire house hanging on a single quest: iron or move. And when it came to the diary room confessions, viewer got some of the most brutally honest and hilarious moments in Big Brother history. Every confessional felt raw and real, capturing the paranoia, excitement, and heartbreak that defined the show's most gripping moments. But beyond the strategy and competitions, the season gave fans something even more powerful: unforgettable personalities. There were villains you loved to hate, underdogs you couldn't help but root for, and a few players who managed to turn their Big Brother experience into full-blown reality TV fame afterward. The chemistry between the house guests, whether friendly or fiery, created a level of entertainment that's rarely matched even today. From dramatic confrontations in the kitchen to emotional late-night conversations in the bedrooms, the interactions felt real, messy, and entirely addictive. And let's not forget the twists. This season introduced game-changing surprises that no one saw coming. The producers clearly wanted to shake things up, and they succeeded. House guests were forced to adapt constantly, which made for some of the most unpredictable gameplay ever. One shocking twist flipped the power dynamic in the house overnight, leaving even the strongest alliance scrambling to survive. It's the kind of jaw-dropping moment Big Brother fans live for, the kind that sparks endless online debates and rewatches years later. For anyone looking to binge something that captures everything great about Big Brother, the season is the ultimate fix. It's packed with nostalgia, intensity, and some of the most iconic moments in reality TV history. Watching it now feels like rediscovering why Big Brother continues to be one of television's most enduring hits. It's a reminder that no matter how many new twists the franchise introduces, the heart of the show, the social experiment, the strategy, and the human drama, remains unbeatable. If you're new to Big Brother, this legendary season is a perfect introduction. It's self-contained, easy to follow, and packed with enough chaos to keep you hooked from the first episode. And if you are a longtime fan, it's worth revisiting just to appreciate how far the game has come. You'll notice how strategies we take for granted today, like floating, backdooring, or throwing competitions, were pioneered and perfected by players in this very season. These are the moments that shaped Big Brother into the modern powerhouse it is today. In a television landscape overflowing with reality shows, few have the staying power and emotional punch of Big Brother. And when it comes to legendary seasons, this one stands above the rest. It's a roller coaster of emotions, laughter, tension, heartbreak, and pure excitement that proves why the franchise continues to dominate summer after summer. So if you are craving more Big Brother after the latest season's finale, don't just wait for next year's premiere. Go back and binge this unforgettable chapter of Big Brother history. You'll be reminded of everything that makes the show addictive: the strategy, the manipulation, the friendships, and the shocking betrayals. This season isn't just worth watching, it's essential viewing for any reality TV fan. And by the time you finish it, you'll understand why fans still call it legendary. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.